Hostgator is known for being one of the most budget-friendly web hosting services. Whether you have a small or large site, you can find a plan that fits your needs without breaking the bank. That's exactly why Hostgator is one of the best web hosting service for scaling on a budget. With plans starting at just $5 per month, Hostgator Cloud has some of the most affordable pricing of its kind. Each plan even comes with a free SSL certificate and unlimited subdomains to lower your costs. Hostgator's customer service offers 24/7 help through live chat and phone. With multiple support centers across the globe, you can always be a quick call or chat away from assistance. Hostgator Cloud uses cPanel for site management with a simple interface that makes it easy to find everything you need. Manage your email preferences, installations, site lock, and more. Because cloud hosting draws on stored resources across multiple servers, it can quickly grab what it needs to make your site function. Hostgator Cloud uses automatic failover in the event of any hardware failure to keep your site up and running. Hostgator Cloud caches and stores your content in the cloud to pull when it needs to, allowing faster load times and better user experiences. If you need more resources, like storage or bandwidth for your site, you can adjust the amount in your dashboard. This feature essentially creates a completely customizable plan based on what your site needs. Hostgator Cloud's 3 pricing tiers allow you to choose the options that are right for your website. The differences between the plans focus on how much memory and the number of CPU you will have, but there are a few feature additions in higher tiers too. Hatchling Cloud starts at $5 per month, which it includes hosting for 1 domain, 2 GB of RAM, 2 CPU cores, unlimited subdomains, and unmetered bandwidth and storage. For $7 per month, the Baby Cloud plan adds hosting for unlimited domains and gives users 4 GB RAM, 4 CPU cores, and unlimited park domains. Or Business Cloud for $10 a month with 6 CPU cores, 6 GB RAM, and a dedicated IP. It's worthy to mention that these prices are only available when you choose a 36-month term for your hosting package. 1-month to 6-month terms for Hatchling Cloud bring your price to $13 per month, $14 a month for Baby Cloud, and $20 a month for Business Cloud. Renewal prices will also cost more than the introductory prices for 12, 24, and 36-month terms. Even with the jump in prices upon renewal or with shorter terms, Hostgator Cloud pricing is competitive for what each plan offers. The most you'll pay is $20 per month on a Business Cloud plan, which gives you all the benefits Hostgator Cloud has to offer. A top benefit of cloud hosting is that it gives you opportunities to share resources, CPU, RAM, storage, and more, where and when they are needed. Your resources are in the cloud, ready for your site to use as necessary. Hostgator takes this benefit of cloud hosting one step further with its resource allocation feature. If you have more than one website on your plan, you can budget resources for each one. For example, you have a smaller site without much traffic and a large site with thousands of visitors each day. You might lower the bandwidth and storage limits for your smaller site and broaden the large site's limits to allow it more resources. You can do this with a few clicks in your control panel. Hostgator Cloud users have access to cPanel within their account's simplified dashboard. There's no need to know all the details about web hosting configurations and features with this beginner-friendly dashboard, which divides everything into categories to help you find what you need. cPanel is where you'll do everything from managing files to setting up your domain email accounts. You can also get a quick overview of your website stats within your dashboard. You can view your website hits, number of visitors, and bandwidth usage for specific dates. You can also check on website uptime, page load speed, and other factors that affect the usability of your site. Cloud hosting is often hailed as one of the fastest types of web hosting. Hostgator Cloud meets the needs of cloud hosting enthusiasts with its multiple servers designed to optimize your site's performance. If one server isn't performing up to par, Hostgator will automatically move your site to another server to allow that one to pick up the slack. This can also happen in the case of a server hardware failure. With a feature known as automated failover, Hostgator moves your site to another server that's working properly until the problem gets fixed. Hostgator Cloud uses internal and external SSD drives, giving you quick access to your information as your site needs it. Making sure your site's data is backed up and secure from threats is a primary concern for many website owners. When it comes to your hosting plan, you should have no shortage of features for protecting your site's information. Hostgator Cloud has several safeguards in place. First is data mirroring. This feature replicates your site 3 times across different servers to ensure that it's always available and safe. You'll need to pay for daily automatic backups and one-click restores by adding CodeGuard to your site. Hostgator also protects its servers against attacks, which target the server and interfere with traffic and bandwidth. Hostgator's detection settings and rules enable flood protection to keep your data and site safe. This protection applies to all servers with Hostgator. Hostgator Cloud gives you what's known as unmetered bandwidth and storage. What this means is that the company won't charge you more money if you happen to use more bandwidth or storage one month than another. Your costs don't rely on how much of these you use. That doesn't mean that you get unlimited disk space and bandwidth. If you use more than what Hostgator deems appropriate, Hostgator may ask you to reduce your usage and can interfere with your site if you don't comply. A site with high amounts of traffic may not be able to utilize Hostgator Cloud. Hostgator Cloud isn't really intended for large business or really high-traffic websites. You'll want to go with the company's virtual private server or dedicated hosting.